will be showing you today how to make a beaded pen. You will need only one set of tools, and they are called bead reamers. Bead reamers are used to make holes bigger. As you can see, the bead hole is too small, so I will need to use a bead reamer. Bead reamers can be purchased at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. With the bead reamer, you will need to go back and forth until the hole is big enough. The hole is not big enough, so I will need to use the next size bead reamer to enlarge the hole. You will need to go back and forth with the bead reamer until the hole is big enough. The bead should now be able to fit on the pen. You can add the remaining beads to the pen. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support.